I got some Winky Lux products this Halloween season for this glammed out puppet look, and I'm going to show you exactly how I created it. I started with the Matte Velour lipstick in the color Bougie, and this is absolutely beautiful. I'm using the Galaxy Kitten palette colors Astro Cat and Eclipse for my chin. Next, I'm using their gel eyeliner to really define those lines in my chin. I'm using Astro Cat and Eclipse again to create some big puppet cheeks. Adding a little bit of color to the face with their cheeky rose blush, liquid eyeliner for some freckles, and the Mermaid Kitten palette to start my eyes. This blue color is Under the Sea, and we're going to add a little bit of Siren to that as well. Liquid liner again for the lids, using the Chandelier Shimmer Shadow in the color Cha-Ching to add a little bling to the inner corner of my eye. Adding some fake bottom lashes with liquid eyeliner and the Graduate lashes for the top. These lashes are so easy to apply and they look so good with the So Extra mascara. Got my lashes all fluffed up, pulled a few puppet strings, and this is the final look. Happy Halloween!